Beethoven Bears. I hope you're having a great Monday morning. Now, Mondays are the days that we would normally have our Monday morning assemblies outside. So instead of doing that, since we're all home, you're watching a Monday morning assembly with your class. So happy Monday. I'm Mrs. Fields, your principal, and I'm excited to do our Monday morning assembly together. All righty. Let me start with our bear wear. So our Beethoven Bears know that Mondays are Bear Wear Day. I hope that you will continue to wear your bear wear. Let me show you my full shirt. There you go. And I want to thank Miss Rodolphin, who inspired me to get these bear headbands, and I know a lot of other staff members have them. I love them. So instead of wearing a hat, I have my bear wear headband and my bear wear shirt. So if you have a Beethoven shirt, please wear it on Mondays. And for our new families, I know that Friends of Beethoven will be discussing how we will get those bear wear shirts to you soon. Okay, I miss all of you. We wish so bad that we could have you here at school. We know that having school at home is not the easiest, but we know that you are persevering and you are doing your best. So I want to thank you, Beethoven Bears. I want to thank your parents. I want to thank your family and all your extended friends who are supporting you through this process. Of course, thanks to our teachers and our staff for their hard work. And we will make it through this time. But we cannot wait to have you back on campus. We look forward to that time that we can be all together. So remember to be kind to each other and stay positive. So for our weekly announcements, today is Monday, August 24th, and today is an instructional support day. That means that you will be in school from 9 until 1:15 p.m. At 1:15, the teachers and I will be meeting to discuss important topics that we need to talk about as we continue to make this year great. So every Monday will be like a Tuesday where your day ends an hour early. Tomorrow, Tuesday, August 25th, is a regular day, as well as Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are regular days where you will be in school virtually from 9 until 2:15 p.m. Also this week on Tuesday evening at 6:30, we have our first parent meeting. So parents, please look out for an invitation. This will be virtually for our first Friends of Beethoven parent meeting. I hope you'll be able to make it. I know I'll be there, and I will look forward to meeting with our Friends of Beethoven group. Next, our Beethoven Bears who've been with us know that we talk about positive words. Positive words. So we have a positive word for the year because right now we need a lot of perseverance and positiveness. So our word of the year is positive perseverance. Perseverance it means when you work really hard at something and you don't give up. I know you're not going to give up right now, and I know you're going to try really hard. So thank you so much for persevering, trying your best, doing your best, being kind, and not giving up. So let's persevere as hard as we can because Beethoven Bears, you can do it. Now for the week, we are going to focus on a word for this week. And normally we talk about character words that we want to show while we were at school. Since we're not at school, but we are together virtually, we will talk about a positive word of the week, and it will be a digital citizenship word because it's important to be a good citizen even while you're online. So our digital citizenship word will be respect. I will respect myself and others while online. Again, our digital citizenship word will be respect. I will respect myself and others while I am online. I know all of our Beethoven Bears can make this happen. You just follow the rules that your teacher sets. If they want your screen on, please show your beautiful and handsome faces. Please mute yourself if you have to be muted when you come on. Please say nice things to one another. Be cooperative. Use the chat box if necessary. Raise your hand or show that little icon for raised hand. And just making sure you follow the rules and you are respectful to not only yourself but to the others that are online with you. So thank you, Beethoven Bears, for focusing on respect for our digital citizenship word of the week. We want to also honor our staff. Remember our Red Apple honorees? We would have the teachers or staff come up, give them a certificate, give them a little apple. Well, we can't do that in person, but we're still going to honor them. So our Red Apple honorees for the week also have birthdays this week. So we want to honor Mrs. Riortalato. Her birthday is August 18th. Miss Evans' birthday is August 22nd. So those birthdays just passed. Miss Maybell Ramos, her birthday is August 24th. Her birthday's today. Pedro, our very own Pedro, his birthday is August 26th. Happy early birthday, Pedro. And Mrs. Ramirez's birthday is August 30th. So we've covered all our wonderful staff who have birthdays either that just passed or coming up before next Monday. Happy birthday to our Red Apple honorees. We honor staff and we honor students. I'm not going to forget about you, Bears. We're going to honor you as well. So every week we're going to have a student of the week. There's going to be somebody's special picture or name here that we're going to honor. It might be several students. So still work hard, do a good job, follow the rules, and be a good digital citizen for your teacher so they can honor you for Student of the Week. But just because school hasn't started just yet or just got started doesn't mean we're not going to honor students. This week, I want to honor 64 students. We have 64 new Beethoven Bears, and we want to welcome you to Beethoven. So I'm going to say your name so we can make you official. Kylie, Penelope J, Michael N, Michael R, Gwendolyn S, Deborah M, Vivian M, Kayla B, Delilah A, Rhea H, Harper D, Anna K, Hendrix M, Eden S, Jacob S, Lincoln W, Jennifer L, Koinonia G, Stephen L, Adama K, Joseph H, Isabella A, Victoria A, Savannah G, Grace M, Timothy P, Mia D, Jonathan V, Abby V, Caspian L, Giancarlo C, Eliana C, Ella N, Leah N, Aria R, Lorenzo H, Alfredo P, Enrique S, Sasha G, Gabrielle A, Annabelle L, Giovanni L, Anna G, Riggins B, Camilla Z, Raiden R, Zulfikar R, Janet P, Samuel V, Arabella P, Taylor Z, Nathalia M, AJ M, Matthew S, Tyler Q, Eliana F, Bella F, Scarlett R, Jeremiah G, Sony Q, Annabelle W, Logan T, and Sophia S. Welcome to Beethoven. We're so happy to have you, and I just can't wait until we can have you on campus so we can see you in person, see your beautiful smiles and your handsome faces, and have you a part of our family here on site. So welcome to our 64 new Beethoven Bears. Now, I have a box. I have a special box. A Beethoven box. And I have something special in here to show you. I want to start with a tongue twister. How many of you know tongue twisters? Okay, I'm going to give you one and then I'll show it to you, but I want you to try it first. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? That was really twisty, huh? If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? You try to say it 3 times. One more time. If a dog chews shoes, whose shoes does he choose? Try that 3 times. I'm sure that'll have your tongue all tied up. So just for fun, we're going to do a tongue twister every week. See if you can try it. Did you say it well? Can you say it 3 times really fast in a row? That'll be your challenge for the week. Next. Mondays are also Mindful Mondays, and we're going to do a lot to really focus on your emotional well-being because we care a lot about you. We want to make sure your mind and your heart and your body is together and that you feel well, because we know that if you don't feel well, it's going to be very hard for you to learn and focus. And we know that being at home and learning, it's not easy. And we know you're trying hard. So we're going to make sure we take care of you, give you those virtual hugs, take care of your heart and your mind as much as we can while we're in our virtual worlds together. So for Mindful Monday, we're going to practice breathing. And this is something that we've done as a school, but it's always good to refresh ourselves. So today we're going to work on deep breathing. So again, my Beethoven bears, going in my box, that were with us before know that when you inhale, it's like smelling the freshest flowers ever. So you want to inhale, and when you exhale, you want to blow out that candle. Make sure you let all the air out. One more time. Breathe in those flowers and blow out that candle. Okay, you do it. Breathe in those flowers. Good. Now blow out my candle. Very good. Another treat from my box. So just as a reminder, when you want to calm down and just take a moment, maybe you're frustrated and you need a moment to just take a breath, when you deep breathe, it calms your mind, it calms your heart, it calms your muscles. You might even want to walk away and do your breath somewhere quiet. But try to do that 3 times. And even if you're not frustrated, it's good to take deep breaths. Your body will thank you for it. So smell the flowers, inhale, blow out the candle, exhale. That's our Mindful Monday tip. Along with having a Mindful Monday, it's also good to stay moving. So I hope that all of you are taking time to go outside and move. So I'm going to inspire you. I have a cube, and it has different things on it. And we're going to try it today. So I'm going to throw the cube, and whatever it says, I want you to do it, and I'm going to give you 10 seconds to do it. Let me roll the die. Crawl like a baby. Go. Crawl like a baby. Hurry, hurry, and crawl like a baby. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, come on back. All righty, so I hope you got movement going. Maybe you can try that today when you're feeling antsy and you need to move. Crawl like a baby. Maybe get somebody else to crawl like a baby with you. And that keeps us moving. Okay, I'm going to close our box, our Beethoven box. There'll be more surprises every week. You never know what I'm going to bring inside this Beethoven box on Mondays. We are ready to wrap up our morning, and our Beethoven Bears know what that means. We are going to practice our 4 Beethoven B's: respectful, responsible, safe, and be a buddy, not a bully. And we're going to do it using sign language. So our first is respectful. Take your 2 fingers and cross them. That's the R in sign language. Put it to the temple of your head and go upward. Respectful. R for respectful. Respectful. For responsible, you're going to take those R's in both of your fingers, and then you're going to curve it into your shoulder. So make your R, put it into your shoulder, and lean. Responsible. Again, make your R's, responsible. So we have respectful and we have responsible. Our next is safe. Show me your fists with your thumbs facing me. Bring them in, make an X, and out. Again, bring your fist in, X, out. And that's safe. So be safe. Respectful, responsible, safe. And last is be a buddy, not a bully. So we're going to sign friend. One finger, tap, tap, tap. That's friend. So be a buddy, not a bully. Okay, all 4 again. Be respectful. Be responsible. Be safe. Be a buddy, not a bully. Those are our 4 B's. We'll practice them every Monday, especially for our Beethoven Bears that are new, but just to let you see a picture of the folks that are making the signs. You'll get better and better as we practice. Because what are we, Beethoven? We are winners. We are winners because we try hard, we're kind, we're great, we do what's right, and we care about each other. We are winners. So once again, what are we? I didn't hear you, not even from here. What are we? And the last time, what are we? We are winners. Now I have one great thing to show you. So I'm going to stop my video and play a short clip for you to see something special happening at Beethoven. So hang on while I show you this clip. And have a wonderful week. We miss you, we love you, and work really hard this week with your teachers. Thank you, parents. Thank you, staff. Hello, Beethoven Bears. I'm out here on our yard, and you can see the field in the background. And I want to show you a special surprise that you're going to have when we all come back together. Our yard is being repaved, so I want to show you some of that work. So let's see, you're going to be really surprised. I'm headed towards the basketball and the volleyball areas, and so I'm almost there. So you'll see a little bit of the work in the background. You see that nice black top, no more cracks and grass. So we're really excited that we're getting the yard repaved, and this is not the finished product. So they're going to put a whole new black top, and we're going to have new lines across the whole yard, including kindergarten. So that'll be a nice treat when you come back to campus, a brand new black top. Go Bears!